Does the thought of meditation scare you? I know it scared me before I discovered the benefits of meditation. I'm Deb Wilbur, coach, author, speaker, and owner of Real Life Spark, a coaching practice dedicated to igniting the next generation of you. I help my clients understand their journey so they can release their fears, feel more confident, and realize their purpose. I utilize intuition in my practice, and meditation is one of the most direct ways for me to tune in to my intuition. My journey with meditation started about 4 years ago when sitting still for 20 minutes seemed an eternity. So if you are new to meditation, start small. Find a quiet place and sit for 5 minutes. Use a timer on your phone or download a meditation app. Yes, there's an app for that. And remember, it's called a meditation practice for a reason. It takes practice to sit still for any length of time. My goal is to sit in meditation for 20 minutes each day. When I honor my practice, the rest of my day is more balanced and in tune. And when I don't, I can feel the difference and I'm a bit out of sync, which encourages me to find the time to meditate. So give it a try. Would you like to learn more about meditation? I invite you to visit my website, reallifespark.com, and read my blog, newsletter, and bookshelf. There are many helpful resources. I'm Deb Wilbur, wishing you peace, love, and sparks.